Hey y'all, so it is my first time making oxtails. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be following the Kitchen Envy from Cooking with Janice, whatever her name is, Janice. Anyways, I'm going to be using this cookbook for the first, well, not for the first time. I'm going to be using the cookbook to make oxtails for the very first time. And I'm going to try to follow the recipe to the T, because I'm the type of person who don't follow recipes. I usually just do whatever's in my head, but this time I'm going to follow the recipe because I have never made oxtails and I'm not accustomed to making it. So this is what it looks like in her book. This is the instructions. So I needed 3 pounds of oxtails. I only got 2 because they're expensive. A green bell pepper diced, onions, scallions, garlic, thyme, 1 Scotch bonnet, seeds removed, pimento, allspice, berries, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, oxtail seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, browning sauce, olive oil, water, beef bouillon, a can of butter beans, not lima beans, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. So the recipes are very, very, basic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep it so that it can marinate overnight, because I really want this to be really, really tasty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the marination process and the cleaning process and things. So let's go. Again, I'm following this recipe, so yeah. Oxtails are so expensive, y'all. I got these 2 pounds, because at first I only got 1. And this is only how much came in one. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for 1 pound. And I think that's quite ridiculous because, yeah. So basically, there's 10 pieces total. And this was $20. And I feel like that's a lot of money for some meat. Because if I think about oxtails, I can eat about 4 pieces, give or take, by myself. And, yeah. So, anywho, it is what it is. I think it's a lot of money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my oxtail. There's hardly any fat on them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right in the bowl and just wash them off. Vinegar. The ingredients that I needed. Show you guys that real quick. I'm just gonna go over them real quick. Let me check this out. So, soy sauce, browning sauce, some spices, all-purpose seasoning. Some spices I was missing, I went and bought them. Onion powder, I ran out. Thyme, Scotch bonnet, onion, green onion, bell pepper, allspice, pimento. Never had this before, but I definitely see this in the Jamaican dishes a lot. Bay leaves. I don't typically use these like normal, but I will today. And I got some ripe plantains for the side, and some red kidney beans so I can make some rice with it. Onion, and only 1 can of buttered beans. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my oxtails just kind of how Haitians will clean it, with this, which is with vinegar and lime. However, I don't have any lime. Before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and have my onions and stuff chopped really quick. This is not a lot. This thing cost me $20, and this is only the only meat that's in there. Me and my husband are gonna finish this in one night. Like, what? Like, look at that. There's hardly any meat. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for like 5 more minutes. Make sure everything is getting clean. And then I'm just gonna rinse it and then all right, now it is time. Tablespoon of browning. This is a half, so I'm doing it twice. Thyme. Scotch bonnet. Allspice. Alright, so for the most part, we got it all seasoned up. Now I'm just going to mix, mix, mix. Alright, we got it all mixed up. We're going to go ahead and close this up and marinate it. And then we'll get back on this camera in a bit. I'm going to marinate it overnight actually, so see y'all in the next step.
Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do to do somebody got you at you I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last, now everybody could chop breakfast. I have to say bye bye yo, bye bye yo.
Okay.
Better and better with the rice, girl. Oxtail. No. No, wow.
That's good.
That's good. Wow.
Is it good?
That's really good. That's really good. Oh my goodness. Nice little spice too, huh?
Is it too much spice?
No.
Woo. It's good spice.
That's good spice. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. You stick your hand in the cookie jar already or what?
What?
You tried it already?
No, here. Good gravy. Pretty good.
Yeah.
First time. Good. I'm shocked myself.
Yeah. You just. Hey, now you can't cook. Think about it, bro. You done did grill. You done did legging. Now what is junk called?
Oxtail.
Oxtail. Like that's all like hard stuff that take time to like do, you know. Not like putting chicken in the oven and baking it, you know. That stuff take. Yeah. Good job, baby.
This is so good. I'm eating better tomorrow.
Oh my god.